Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to be organizing my nail drawers because yeah, they're a mess. And although my nail polishes are color wise and they look great, and brand wise they're totally fine, I'm not really happy with the lower drawer. As you can see, they're horrible. I ended up picking up this acetone from Pam Polish. I love it. And a new Luron shade. This is the FB217. So I'm gonna add that to the collection, and yeah, let's just get started. Let's do this. So I've been really busy. I haven't posted in a while, and it's because we had two nail bar events, and I'm just gonna share the pictures for the first nail bar because I did not know why I did not take a lot of pictures for the second one, and that really sucked. So here I am just trying to figure out where exactly this purple shade fits perfectly in the color wheel, if that's what it is. So here I am trying to move all the polishes just so I can fit that one inside. Somebody did ask me how many nail polishes I do have. At the moment I have 78 nail polishes, all counted, all different colors, yes. And the most brand I have so far is for Luron, and the second is Pam Polish, and then the third is Miniso, and then the fourth is Gold Rose, in that order. And then I have a lot of miscellaneous, if that's what you can call them. And this drawer was filthy. Like, I just feel like ever since I've put this stuff here, I have not looked at it. So I said, what's the best way to start the next year with a clean drawer and a fresh mind for some new nail art? In fact, I don't even know what I have anymore, so I just needed to take a look and check it out. So here I am cleaning it all up because it was just disgusting. So I started organizing everything. I had to wash these mugs actually. It's a mug and one is my damping dish. I decided to first place it in the drawer before washing it because last time I actually ended up washing it and forgetting about it, and then when I had no space to put it, I just wanted to shoot myself. Please do not do that, and don't take my word for it. So I ended up cleaning up this basket, which unveiled a lot of stuff I never knew I had. So I have two polygel nail brushes, yeah, that I knew, thank god, and loads of nail files, and I need to clean them. And I just first organized everything, then I went to the cleaning, like proper deeper washing individual items. And these I actually ended up using at the nail bar that I was doing, and I gave them away to the people that I use them for hygiene purposes. I mean, I cannot share cuticle and a nail file with everyone, so rather than sanitizing, I preferred to just get you your own that was clean and give it to you after. And that's my daughter, and she does not want to stop calling me. Mommy? Yes, sorry about that, she's still talking and saying hey. So I put all my I have like 4 buffing brushes, buffing blocks, sorry, and I decided to put them together. And then I just put them separately. I put my nail clippers. I just stuffed everything in the basket for now. And then I sectioned it in the drawer. Yes, Sanam.
Mommy, talk.
You can talk later.
Mommy, talk.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Tell everyone hi.
Mommy, talk.
Okay, we'll talk later. So I ended up finding out I have brand new nail files that my sister bought me, and I love them, they're so pretty. And then I have all of this beautiful nail art stuff. Those are some foils that I previously bought, but I didn't have a box for them, so I just store them in those plastic containers. And then I found rose gold nail studs.
Mommy.
And I found snowflakes. I didn't even believe it. And those are my foils. I have this nail stamper that I haven't used yet. And there's the nail file glue and stickers. Okay. These are really pretty, so comment down below if you want me to use them. I mean, hey. I have these nail foils. I love them. And these beautiful nail studs that Polygel Nails Kenya sent me as a gift, and I love them. They're so pretty. So I also found this beautiful black nail art pen tool thingy, and I was like, wow, I didn't even know I had it. Well, actually, I remembered, and then I found these studs. I was surprised. I just felt like, God, I really neglected this drawer. So I emptied out this metal tin that I had, and I was just thinking about how I'm gonna place everything back inside there. Then I was like, maybe just leave the basket in, and then I was like, that would be just kind of pointless at this point, doing that. So I then decided that I'm just gonna have a look of how it's gonna be in the drawer. So I just moved the metal tin inside, and then I decided, let me try out how I'm gonna put this. Is actually for my epilator, this beautiful metal tin, and I just decided I'm gonna use the lid, the bottom, and yeah, that looks really good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put the baskets like the first way I put them, because I was just like, how am I gonna press all the stuff back in? And I just found like that would be so pointless, just leaving the basket inside another basket. Talk about wrong decisions. So yeah, that was the final layout, and I was quite happy with this. And I thought, now it's down to organizing all of this stuff. So let me put the camera down and show you how it's done. Actually, these dual tips are my favorite, the almond shape. They're really easy to use. I was actually quite surprised. I think I'm gonna do a video on them. They were a gift from Polygel Nails Kenya. I really love these guys. If you haven't bought their kits, I don't know what you're doing with your life. But yeah, anyway, you should check them out. They're really good. So I moved my nail drill in and my nail tips, the full-on tips there. I was like, let me hide that in the back, and I was like, that's a bad decision. And then it occurred to me I can just lay it underneath these baskets. And then I was like, I put away my buffing blocks, the ones that I'm not using, on the side, and then the ones that I currently use in the basket. So I just did that. And all the stuff that I didn't use ended up being hidden underneath the baskets, which made so much more sense. And I had bought this cuticle gel actually from Palm Polish, and I ended up moving it into this so it's easier to apply, because as much as I love their product, unfortunately the bottle wasn't that convenient to use for some apparent reason. So I moved it into that deodorant bottle and used the roll-on motion to apply it. Sometimes my genius baffles me. And yeah, that was that. And I was like, I can put my nail samples here, because when I do my nail art, like I do it on those and then see how it look and then move on from there. And this was the mug I was supposed to wash, so I just placed it in so I know I have the space for it, because last time I organized my drawer, I left it out, forgot about it, and then when I wanted to put it back, and then I realized, wow, I don't have any space in my drawer. Magnificent. This was from the giveaway. I had an extra bag and my cards, so I just put them away. This is a DIY hand rest I'd made first, and I didn't like it, so I'll just put it underneath there if I ever want to use it or give it away or something. I haven't yet really decided. These are nail polish remover wipes. I have so many of them actually bought, and I gave away so many in my giveaway, so if you didn't participate in the giveaway, I don't know what you're doing. So yeah. Then I ended up throwing some nail polish, because I go through top coat like me breathing oxygen. There were 4 bottles of top coat that were actually empty, so I took them out and I had to throw them away. And this is what it looks like when it was done. I was pretty impressed. I actually have so much more space to get more stuff, and obviously I will. And my nail polishes look great and clean, and everything underneath is clean and beautiful. So I'm so happy. It turned out gorgeous. So yeah, comment down below if you want to see me use some of the nail art stuff. Now I'm just gonna flood you with pictures of me at the nail bar we had. This was the first one, and these are a couple of my clients that came, and we had so much fun meeting new people, and they really loved the display. And here I am trying to talk to somebody while they're trying to look at my stall while working. Talk about multitasking. We were spilling tea in this frame, okay? I don't remember what it was, but it was good, and we were talking and having so much fun, and I met so many new people. By the way, there's no like standard about guys doing their nails. You can do your nails, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, keep your nails clean at least, come on. So he came back and we did some pictures, and I finished his nails. Then I got some cute girls to paint their nails pink. I mean, it was so sweet, and I was so in love with all of them. And these are the final results for all of my clients. They love the colors they picked, and it's what they wanted. So, I mean, if they're happy, I'm happy. So look at that. I really loved this beautiful orange tone. My first client got silver and gold. I really loved it. So this was the banner, and that was me. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.